Good morning, students. I'm your Hina ma'am.
English, and today our topic is sound of O. Students, earlier we did vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, right? Remember? So we did sound of A, sound of E, sound of I, right? So now we will do sound of O. Students, O sound is O. Okay? So students, we will add some letters in O to make a O sounds words. Okay? If we add T, T sound is T. So it's make ought. If we add X, X sound is Kus. So it make ox. If we add G, G sound is G. So it's make og. If we add Y, Y sound is Y. So it's make oi. It's clear? Now we will make O sound words with help of them. Okay? First is T O Y, toy. J O Y, joy. B O Y, boy. Same with OT. What? We can make P O T, pot. H O T, hot. D O T, dot. Same with OX means ox. We can make ox word. B O X, box. F O X, fox. Same with OG words. We can make OG words. D O G, dog. L O G, log. F R O G, frog. So these are sound of O words. I hope you learned easily. Okay? Thank you, children.